Let's step on board the Dilbar Superyacht to experience the pinnacle of luxury, complete with a beautiful infinity pool, a private helipad, and elegant decor. Join us on this $600 million dream journey. This yacht is so luxurious that it dwarfs Liberace's piano. This boat is so large that it resembles a floating continent. And believe me, you'll need a map to go around the Dilbar since it's so massive. But the Dilbar's price tag is even more astonishing. It costs more than the most expensive penthouse in the world, at a whopping price of $600 million. That's correct, you heard it correctly. But hey, if you've got the cash, why not spend it on a yacht as luxurious as the Taj Mahal? As you board the boat, you'll be greeted by the 80-person crew, and you'll begin to feel like a Hollywood A-lister. The boat includes a swimming pool that can store 180 cubic meters of water and is large enough to host the Olympics. And if you're feeling nervous, there's a sliding roof to keep you hidden. The Superyacht was designed by Lürssen, a German shipyard that's been constructing yachts for over 140 years. The yacht's elegant lines and large dimensions make it a remarkable work of marine engineering art. With a length of 156 meters and a beam of 24 meters, it's one of the world's biggest yachts. But it's Dilbar's sheer immensity that truly distinguishes it. It has a gross tonnage of 15,917, making it one of the world's biggest yachts by volume. With a fuel capacity of 1 million liters, it can go up to 6,000 nautical miles at a speed of 22.5 knots without needing to refuel. That means you can sail from New York to Tokyo without having to stop for petrol. Another fascinating fact about the Dilbar Superyacht is that it was built over 4 years and debuted in 2016. Andrew Winch, a famous British designer noted for his outstanding attention to detail and ability to create luxurious and comfortable places, created the yacht's interior. Finally, the Dilbar Superyacht has been seen in some of the world's most beautiful and exotic locales, from the Caribbean to the Mediterranean. It caught the interest of passers-by and photographers alike who have marveled at its grandeur and beauty. If you were the owner of the Dilbar, to which destination would you go first? The inside of the Dilbar Superyacht is so luxurious that it makes Versailles appear like a bachelor pad. It features a fully equipped gym, and if you don't feel like working out, there's a beauty salon where you can relax. The yacht even features a medical facility, which is great news since after spending $600 million on a yacht, you're going to need to see a doctor. Before we continue, do you like the video so far? And would you love to see more amazing yacht videos? If yes, like and subscribe so we can welcome you aboard, and don't forget to ring that ship notification bell. The disco, however, is the true jewel of the Dilbar. Yes, you read that correctly. A disco. It's not just any disco. It's a soundproof disco with a capacity of 80 people. So if you want to party like it's 1979, the Dilbar is the place to go. If you prefer underwater exploration, the yacht also features an undersea garage that can house a 3-person submersible. The Dilbar Superyacht is so advanced in technology that it resembles a James Bond villain's lair. It boasts a dynamic positioning system that holds the boat in place without anchoring, allowing you to enjoy a martini or two with your hands free. And if you're concerned about pirates, the Dilbar boasts anti-piracy procedures that would make Navy SEALs jealous. But hold on, there's more. The Dilbar Superyacht is more than a yacht. It's a floating town. It boasts 2 helipads, allowing you to arrive in luxury without having to deal with traffic or TSA waiting lists. If you're feeling really athletic, there's even a basketball court on board where you can shoot some hoops while cruising the high seas. Are you a foodie who enjoys trying new cuisines? Prepare to have your taste senses tempted, as Dilbar does not disappoint when it comes to cuisine. The boat boasts a formal dining area that seats up to 20 people and is so opulent that you'll need a PhD in manners to figure out which fork to use. If you want something more informal, the boat includes an outdoor barbecue area where you can cook up some burgers and hot dogs. It's like having your own little beach party, only in the middle of the ocean. Perhaps what truly distinguishes the Dilbar Superyacht is its devotion to sustainability. The boat is outfitted with cutting-edge water treatment equipment, allowing for the effective and responsible use of water resources. It also has a waste management system in place to guarantee that all garbage is properly disposed of. The owner of the Superyacht is dedicated to lowering the yacht's environmental effect and has made major investments in environmentally friendly equipment. So you may wash, flush the toilet, and even drink a glass of water, all from the same source, the ocean. What a way to be one with nature. Are you worried about your safety when sailing on the open sea? The Dilbar Superyacht has you protected with its cutting-edge security measures that will make you feel like you're on a floating fortress. Let's dive in. Did you know that the Dilbar Superyacht's cutting-edge security system has been compared to that of the Pentagon? To ensure that only authorized staff can access particular parts of the boat, it features 47 CCTV cameras, a fingerprint scanner, and even a retina scanner. So if you're afraid about a Bond villain getting on board, you can relax because the Dilbar has your back. And if you need some rest and leisure, the boat has you covered there as well. It features 6 beautiful cabins, each with its own ensuite bathroom, allowing you to sleep well while listening to the calm sounds of the ocean. If all that dancing in the disco has left you feeling a little weary, the yacht also includes a spa section with a jacuzzi, sauna, and a massage room. The master suite, however, has to be the Dilbar Superyacht's showpiece. It's about the size of a small apartment and has its own deck area, jacuzzi, and lounge. The suite is so luxurious that you'll think you're living in a palace. If you're feeling lonely, don't worry. The suite has its own personal theater where you can watch your favorite movies in comfort. Which movie would you watch first? The Dilbar is well known not just for its elegant features and reasonable price, but also for its impressive interiors. How? Stay tuned. The internal capacity of the Dilbar Superyacht is astounding at 15,917 gross tons, making it the largest superyacht by volume currently in existence. In comparison, the average superyacht has an internal volume of roughly 3,000 gross tons. The vast size of the Dilbar provides an unequaled degree of luxury and relaxation. It has a massive main saloon with a grand piano, large dining sections, and a variety of entertainment venues for visitors to enjoy. The boat also boasts a 25-meter-long indoor swimming pool, which is uncommon for superyachts. The Dilbar has an excellent art collection that includes works by some of the world's most famous painters. This collection consists of paintings, sculptures, and other works that have been meticulously selected to match the yacht's luxury interior decor. These works of art may be seen throughout the yacht, contributing to the overall mood and refinement of the vessel. Now, are you ready to be carried away to a world of classic elegance and sophisticated luxury? The interior design of the Dilbar is a wonderful combination of traditional and contemporary elements, producing an ambiance that's nothing short of beautiful. The interior design of the Dilbar is also a mix of classic and modern features, which makes it look exquisite. Throughout the boat, luxurious materials such as marble and onyx are used, contributing to its overall beauty and refinement. Each room has its own distinct design elements and individual furniture, resulting in a genuine piece of art that is both comfortable and visually attractive. Finally, with its distinctive features, luxurious facilities, and devotion to sustainability, the Dilbar Superyacht is an astounding achievement in engineering and design. It's a boat that will make an indelible impact on everyone who is fortunate enough to sail on it. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be living that dream. But in the meanwhile, we may observe and enjoy the Dilbar Superyacht's beauty, splendor, and its amazing jaw-dropping features. That's it for this video. If you had the chance to spend a day on the Dilbar Superyacht, what would be the first thing you'd do? Subscribe. Bye!